Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Sindox 20-watt power delivery Type-C fast charger. Look, it fits right in the palm of my hand. It's very simple. It's great for phones like this iPhone 10 for fast charging. It's also excellent for the iPhone 8 all the way up through the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, if you're using the iPhone 13 Pro Max, you'll want something a little faster, maybe a 30-watt charger, but this is the 20-watt, and it's great for all those other phones, and it's perfect for QI wireless chargers. It's great for headphone charging. It's great for Apple Watch charging as well, and all of your Android devices and even drone batteries. So this fits perfectly in a travel case, in your backpack, or whatever else you need, and it's super small. And if you lose your Apple charger or don't even get one, as the iPhone 13 Pro Max does not come with one, this is a perfect charger for that. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.